Good afternoon. This is Cynthia Sharp with Additional Needs Incorporated. I'm giving you a quick tour of the Additional Needs Nature Themed Art Contest that is being held here at the Naples Botanical Garden. And it is their first sensory Saturday since COVID began. And this is a nice, beautiful representation of the additional needs community and their glorious artwork and the different nonprofit organizations besides additional needs that are here to contribute in expression and recognition of the additional needs community. So thank you for each and every one of the nonprofits that have chosen to participate and to acknowledge the abilities of each and every individual needs artist that is being presented today.
Yeah, you're looking right at Bennett. He's one of the top vote getters.
Bennett is one of the top vote getters. You heard it straight from Doug Sharp of Additional Needs Incorporated, the founder. And we're coming up on Endless Brain. Now, Endless Brain has music therapy, and Margie Panafresca shares her artistic talents through music expression with children. She is a registered analytical behavioral analyst, and she is displaying some of the artwork here today. And we're going to move on to Listen Here with Rachel Cohen. She is speaking with another family, and these are her services. She does audiology and working with children, helping them be active listeners and hearing well. Hi. And this is, how cool is this? The Dream t-shirt is a giveaway, and I believe that is an egret. Some giveaways from Additional Needs and the Naples Botanical giveaway year membership and basket, and Dominique O'Connell's artwork, and the awareness t-shirt from Additional Needs. ANI is a nonprofit providing meaningful employment for individuals with additional needs. And here is Mary Fellens with MF Therapy Group and her table providing services of occupational therapy and sensory needs to those individuals who need that, and her sensory table. And one of the occupational therapists as well. Patsy Mickelson and Mary Fellens, thank you. And another table of work of art. I love this. Caroline Kochian, forgive me if I'm not saying this correctly, but these are some of the amazing artworks that were submitted onto Additional Needs Incorporated's website. And thank you for those who have chosen to see this and to be here. And I'm sorry for those who have not been able to join us because you're away. But if you have not been able to enjoy nature, let me take you on a quick tour of this beautiful garden that maybe you're getting snowed in. This is our way of sharing the beauty and the expression and the groundedness that nature provides. Love Buddha. And little...
Really?
Yeah. May you enjoy this and enjoy the beauty and the nature's expression. And I want to thank you all. We are going to be doing our live drawing at 5 o'clock. So do not miss out. We will go live then. But I did want to make sure that you got to see a little bit of the botanical garden and why we chose to collaborate with Naples Botanical Garden to share nature and its inspiration. So I am going to discontinue this video, and I look forward to announcing the winners that have submitted. Have a blessed day, and I will restart at 5 p.m. Thank you.